AI can polish weak thinking until it sounds like $1 million strategy deck. But is there actually an idea in there? Beautiful wording and confident structure can be dangerously convincing, masking a total lack of substance. The danger is assuming that because it looks smart, it is smart. Polished phrasing isn't a substitute for real strategy. Don't mistake the polish for the plan. Always look beneath the surface of an AI-generated pitch. Stay critical and stay sharp. This is the AI Brew. Subscribe for more reality checks.